Hi everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and easy to use Excel tools out there. For over 16 years, we've been helping people save time, save money, and make their work easier by creating tools that automate certain processes. Today, I'll show you a tool that helps you find the city, state, and county just by entering a zip code. This tool lets you take a list of zip codes or postal codes if you're outside the U.S., and quickly find the city, state, and county. It works directly in Excel, so there's nothing extra to install. All you need is a desktop version of Excel and a Google Maps API key. Don't worry, we've created a straightforward video guide linked in the description to help you set it up. Here's how it works. Copy and paste your list of zip codes into the Excel sheet. If you have country information, you can include that too, as some zip codes may represent different locations in different countries. Then click the Calculate button. The tool will instantly show you the city, state, county, latitude, and longitude for each zip code. It works for U.S. zip codes and international postal codes. It's really that easy. Just 2 steps, and you're done. We design all our tools to be simple because we believe in making our work effortless. If a task takes more than 3 steps, then it's not a good tool for us. Why would you need this tool? Here are some examples. Sales and marketing teams can group customers by location to better target them. Logistics and operations can use it to plan delivery routes or analyze locations. It's also great for data enrichment, letting you add location details to your data for reports or analysis. This tool saves you time and effort by automating these tasks. For 16 years, we've been building Excel tools like this one, constantly refining and improving them based on feedback from our users. Over 7,500 happy customers, from small businesses to large corporations, rely on our tools to streamline their workflows and improve productivity. We regularly receive emails from users who tell us how much they appreciate the simplicity, efficiency, and reliability of our tools. It's always rewarding to hear how our products have saved them time and effort. Don't just take our word for it. Check out our Google reviews, where over 120 satisfied customers have shared their positive experiences. These reviews highlight the trust and satisfaction we've earned from people just like you. We're proud to offer top-notch support. If you have questions, feel free to call or email us. Yes, your call will be answered. You'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators. If you prefer, you can also send us an email or chat with Vinny via live chat on our website. We're dedicated to helping you make the most of our tools. To download this tool, click the link in the description below. I'm confident it'll save you time and make your work easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have questions, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tools. Have a fantastic day.